Hello and welcome to uspowertrade.com. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to register your business for our online auction platform. First, you go to uspowertrade.com. It's a totally secure site. And you're going to click on this button, Register Today. And when you click on Register Today, you're going to see here where you put all your information. You put your email address. It'll let you know if it's a valid email address or not. That one is, obviously. Create a password. I'm just creating 1234 for this demonstration. Then you just start adding your name, your last name, and you follow the line the whole way down the line. I'm just going to call my company TGE Advertising, my street address, my city. Obviously choose the state that you're in by the drop down, very easy. Okay, and then it's going to be your zip code, your phone number where you can be reached at, your auction code. Now if you're working with an agent or a regional director, they would give you their code. It would be an A and then their number, or an R and then their number. If you aren't working with an agent or a regional director, you can see, just enter in US 1001, and that's the default number that goes to our company. Here you put the utility name. That's the name of the company you're with now. Mine, of course, is PP&L. You put your account number, which you'll find on your bill, and you would just enter your account number. Here you would add your total annual kilowatt usage, which is also found on your bill. For me, I'm just going to put 250,000 kilowatts. If you have a tax ID or social security number, you should enter it there. If you have a Dun & Bradstreet number, you should also put it there. Then here's where you can upload a copy of your current bill. It's very simple. You just choose File, and it'll take you to, so you can search on your computer for one of your electric bills. I have one saved on mine in my downloads. Where is it? There it is. US Power Trade sample bill. So you just click on it, and there it is. You can see it's US Power sample bill, and that's so when you upload it, the suppliers, when they go to look at your auction, they can look at your bill to verify all your information and see that you are using the kilowatts that you say you are, etc. Then here's where you select your reserve rate, and this is the rate that you would like to pay for your electric. So, maybe currently you're paying, 0.15 per kilowatt, and you want to be paying 0.10. You could just put 0.10. So in the auction, when the suppliers see that, then they can, take what your usage is and look at the rate you're trying to get to, and they can possibly bid on your auction. Here's where you select the date. It says select the date of your auction. You click on that. The next auction running for us will be on the 19th. So we run every Wednesday from 2 to 2:30 p.m. So you pick your date. Now here's all the suppliers that we work with currently. If there's someone here that you do not like or that you didn't want to use, you could obviously check them and say you don't want them bidding on your electric. Otherwise, it's open for everyone to bid on. And then down here, if you're looking for just a 12-month fixed rate or clear up to a 60-month fixed rate, you could choose whichever length of contract you were looking for. I'm going to choose this 36 month because it seems to get you the best overall pricing. And then it asks you if you're currently working with another supplier. So are you currently under contract with another company for any length of time? If so, you would click yes, and then it would ask you when that would expire, and it's just a map, and you can switch the months at the top or the days and just choose that, hey, mine expires on December 31st this year. Then your next step would be to accept the terms and conditions, which is just a simple electronic signature. If you click it, it pops up. You can read through our terms and conditions. Pretty basic. You can scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you can see where you type in your name. I'm going to put Thad Eisenhowr. And then if I hit return or tab, you can see it electronically signs my name so that I'm agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once you hit submit, it's very simple. Then you come back to this screen and you just hit the submit button. That easy. Now, this is going to tell you thank you for registering with US Power Trade. An email has been sent to your address for you to confirm your registration. That's very simple. I use my Gmail account, so I'm just going to go to my Gmail account right now, and as you can see right here, it's going to open it, and I can display the images. Okay, so here it says, thanks for registering with US Power Trade. Please review the terms and conditions, and again, click on the confirm button at the bottom of this email to register your auction. So this is the same thing, just showing you again what the terms and conditions are. You can look through them, and when you get to the bottom, you can hit the confirm button, and now it's going to take you back to a successful registration. So now your registration, your auction is now entered into our system. So now if you want to go into your account and check it, you can, if you're an existing customer, you go right up here, you put in your username or email address, tge907@gmail.com. You put in your password, which for me it was 1234, and you log in. Okay, so here's my information. Here's all my basic information. Now I'm in my account. Okay, and if you want to click at the auction that you just registered, you click here, and it shows it's your auction number 1. You would like a reserve of at least 0.10 kilowatts. The date of your auction is 11/19. The status is it's active. If at any time you needed to edit any of the information on this, you could just click the edit button, and it would take you in here, and you could edit, the rate and your date if you wanted to switch your date or whatever, or the months, etc. If you did not, you just leave it alone, and on the 19th, between 2 and 2:30, suppliers will bid on your auction. If a supplier meets your bid of 0.10 and a supplier wins that auction, you'll receive an email from the supplier and from the system telling them that somebody has won your auction. It's really that easy. US Power Trade is changing the way the world buys its energy. This is just a simple registration video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you soon on the US Power Trade. Thank you very, very much.